Hello all, welcome to Unacademy to the new video where we'll be discussing about the selection criteria of IIM Calcutta. So we have discussed very soon this selection criteria for IIM Bangalore. So we'll be comparing both the colleges and what is new in IIM Calcutta. So before we begin with the session, I just want to give a quick introduction about myself. So my name is Rajul Khare and I have cleared CAT 7 times in a row and I've done my MBA from MDI Gurgaon in the year 2014-2016. So I've been mentoring students for CAT from last 8 years and I've mentored more than 5,000 students for CAT, GMAT and other B school entrance examination. So I will be taking two sections which are quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning data interpretation. So this is the strategy video for your selection criteria for IIM Calcutta. Apart from this, I'm running a company called as Tamasha Entertainment which is based out of Gurgaon. Okay guys, moving forward, we'll be discussing here about the selection criteria uh, for IIM Calcutta. Okay, we'll be discussing the selection criteria for IIM Calcutta. So we'll start with the basic eligibility and then we'll be moving forward what are the CAT percentile required to get a call from IIM Calcutta. Okay, so eligibility, there are three eligibilities for IIM Calcutta. The first, you need to have 50% marks or equivalent CGPA in your bachelor's degree, and in case you are from category, you need to have 45% marks in your bachelor's degree. The bachelor's degree should be qualified by Ministry of HRD, Government of India. The people who are in the final year of their bachelor's degree can also apply, but the conditions are the same. They need to have at least 50% marks as of now. So anybody who is in the final year of their college, they can apply for CAT and they can apply for IIM Calcutta. These are the three basic eligibilities which are almost similar to all the IIMs. You need to have a bachelor's degree with 50% marks and you need to have your the degree qualification from Ministry of HRD. In case you are final year, you can again apply. Now coming to the CAT scores which IIM Calcutta will be taking. So overall CAT percentile 90 percentile. So you need to have at least 90 percentile in your CAT score so that you are eligible for IIM Calcutta. Sectionally, you need to have 85 percentile in VARC, 80 percentile in LRDI, and 80 percentile in quantitative aptitude. So again, much more weightage is given to verbal, as in IIM Bangalore it was given. Okay, now one interesting thing how it is different from other IIMs, the weightage to CAT score is 56% marks. Okay, there is a lot of weightage to CAT score, there is 50% marks. Another weightage is through your academic profile, whereas there is 10% weightage to your 10th, 15% weightage to your 12th, and 15% weightage to your graduation. There's no weightage to work experience. So anybody who is a fresher, this is a college for you. Normally the IIM Calcutta cutoff is more than 99.5 every year. Okay, so this is the basic eligibility as I was talking about कि basic मुझे कितने लाने पड़ेंगे ताकि IIM Calcutta मेरा form भी consider करे. Now there is a weightage to gender diversity as well. There is a 4% weightage to gender diversity. So 56 plus 460 plus 40 100. So there's a lot of weightage to the academic profile. So that's how it is very different. So there is no weightage to work experience. So no extra points to the people who are having work experience in the first round. Obviously, in the second round, there will be weightage to your interviews. The interviews are normally converted of the people who are able to discuss the answers properly. So again, there's no looking back for the work ex people, but for freshers, this is a go-to college. Okay, so out of IIM Bangalore and IIM Calcutta, IIM Calcutta will look to take the freshers. Okay, then the first round is CAT GMAT. They will be taking your CAT GMAT scores, checking these criteria, also weighing your academic profile, combining it with your gender diversity, and then accordingly give you a call. After you get a call, you will be having VAT PI, and then there will be a final selection. Very similar, a two-round process in every IIM. So similar to this, but there is a lot of weightage to CAT score, a very less weightage. There is no weightage to work experience. No, there's just one weightage to gender diversity. Even to academic diversity, there is no weightage. So anybody who is a general engineer male, this is a go-to college for you because there is no other diversity parameter here, as I am always discussing in my videos. Okay, so this is about IIM Calcutta eligibility. I hope this video helps, and depending on your profile, so I am making these videos so that you are very clear that what kind of profile you are having, so that you are expecting calls from the same college. Okay, so if you are having a work experience, you should be targeting IIM Bangalore more, and if you are a fresher, there is a gender diversity to, like, for in almost every IIMs, in every older IIMs, so accordingly they'll give you a weightage on that. Okay guys, now moving forward, just subscribe yourself to the Telegram channel of Unacademy and the Telegram channel of mine, which is Unacademy_Rajul Khare. Please subscribe yourself to Unacademy Telegram channel so that you get daily updates of the YouTube classes, of the special classes, of the plus courses we are launching. Okay. What's the value offering from Unacademy? So the Unacademy, there are two value offerings, which is Plus and Iconic. So you can subscribe either to Plus and Iconic. In Plus, you'll get all the live classes, mock tests, quizzes, practice question, mock analysis, general awareness classes. In Iconic, over and above Plus, you will get personal mentorship, personalized mock analysis. So everything for you will be going personal in the Iconic program. Okay. The pricing of Plus varies from 1 month and goes up till 24 months. So for 12 months, the pricing for Plus is just 17,500 rupees. For 24 months, the pricing is around 21,000 rupees. If you use the code RKUS, you get a discount of 10%. So please remember my code. My code is RKUS. Use this code to get a discount of 10% on the subscription. Similarly, for Iconic, the subscription is for 12 months and 24 months. So the 12 months, the Iconic pricing is 30,000 rupees. For 24 months, the Iconic pricing is 41,000 rupees. So if you use my code RKUS, you get a discount of 10% on the pricing. So once you use my code RKUS, the pricing for 12 month subscription is just 15,750 and 24 months is just 18,900 rupees. Okay guys, so this is about the Unacademy learners who have cracked CAT 2020 with flying colors. You could be the next one. So all these people have got a percentile of more than 99 in CAT, and they are looking forward to join an IIM this year. Okay guys, and these are the certain batches which we are starting. So 8th February and 10th February, we have started a weekday batch, weekday evening batch for CAT 2021. 13th February, that is tomorrow, we will be starting a batch for weekend batch for CAT 2021. So you can enroll in this batch as soon as possible once you subscribe to Plus or Iconic. So in Iconic, you can also join the batch. Okay, this is about the Unacademy Champions League. So on 14th February, we have Unacademy Champions League between 5 p.m. and 5:40 p.m. And you can win Amazon vouchers up to rupees 10,000 on also an Unacademy CAT Plus subscription for 1 month. So please enroll yourself to Unacademy Champions League. Please download the Unacademy Learning app so that you can be a part of all the special classes, live classes, and the Champions League as well. Okay guys, so this is it for the video. Please like, share, subscribe our video. I'll be sharing the criteria for all the IIMs. So I've shared it for IIM Bangalore, Calcutta. Soon I'll be sharing for Lucknow, Kozhikode, Indore, Shillong. For everything I will be sharing the criteria. So it's a very important thing. Before, as I know all of you are preparing for CAT 2021, so I think it will be very feasible for you to see these parameters. What are the B schools looking for? So accordingly, you can prepare yourself. If you are in your final year of your graduation, you can increase your score and get more weightage in your academic profile. If you have work experience, so you can get a better work experience, get more work experience. All these parameters are included. So the agenda of these videos to tell you that IIMs are the colleges which will focus on your CAT score, but academic profile is there, gender diversity is there. Some of the IIMs are also looking for work ex. So accordingly, decide your which B school will be calling you depending on your CAT score, so that you accordingly target your CAT score as well. Okay guys, so thanks a lot for the class, and please like, share, subscribe this video. Please share it to all the people who are aspiring for CAT this year, and we'll connect more. And normally I take live classes on YouTube. I'll be taking quantitative aptitude here, so please subscribe to our channel so that you get the daily update of the classes. Thanks a lot guys.